After a lifetime in racing, you develop certain traits, I think, if you're going to be successful anyway. And I think a lot of it's to do with the people you surround yourself with. People in racing tend to be very detail oriented, almost OCD in a lot of ways. And you learn very quickly the difference between okay and success and winning is the small details. It's lots and lots. It's about that attention to detail. I guess a good example is this Singer. You've got a normal 911, which is a pretty wonderful car, but then this becomes exceptional with all the millions of little details of, when I built this car, obsessing about the color of the paint, taking out metallic and putting pearlescent, and didn't like the door cards. It's all these tiny details, and that was the same when I was working with the guys at Dura, because I'm used to workshops looking a certain way. Not things scattered everywhere. Everything's got to have its place, and that's been sort of drilled into me. I remember as a 17-year-old showing up at Paul Stewart Racing, and I was kind of, let's say my detail side wasn't quite there yet, and I got surrounded by a bunch of people, and have been for the last, 33 years, been surrounded by people that have sort of drilled that into me. And that's why I think when it came to building a garage, you go straight to Dura and say, this is what I would like. You start working with them on that, because it is that attention to detail that they provide, that sort of bespoke quality. I used to have these mad thoughts. Did it in my garage in Scotland as well. I had these crazy ideas for little pieces, and they were like, yeah, we can do that.